A color wheel can be an important tool for painting and composing art. There are many useful ones you can look up and print on the internet, so why would you want to make your own? The answer is that you would want to make one with your specific paints and hues you are painting with, so you can have a proper and accurate reference. Not all pigments are the same. To make pretty much any color out there, you only need 3 colors. That is red, blue, and yellow. White and black can be used to change darkness and lightness. Buy yourself good quantities of these, and you are set to make almost any painting concept you want. I am using cadmium yellow, cadmium red, cobalt blue, ivory black, and titanium white. Grab a cheap canvas board, a pen, and something round like this plate. Trace a circle. You will want to make 2 intersecting triangles in the circle, one up and one down. Try and space them evenly, but there is no need to be perfect. Then make marks in between them, like right in between them. You should have 12 separate sections. We're going to make 3 layers for 3 different shades of each color. Just follow along. Connect all the dots. You can see I've marked the letters R, Y, and B along the points of one of the triangles. This is where the pure pigments of your red, yellow, and blue will go. Put down plenty of red, blue, and yellow for mixing. And you'll also need some white and black. Now is where the mixing of colors and shades occurs. Take your time, and it's okay to be a little sloppy. The goal is to gradually mix the colors in greater increments towards each other, as well as gradually mixing in more white as you move to the center. You may be wondering why I'm leaving the pen lines and not being too careful with the uniformity of the paint coverage. As a tool, I find making your own color wheel like this useful, as I can also see how transparent my paints can be, as well as different thicknesses will look. I can reference this as I paint to see exactly how my particular paints are going to look when applied. So, sloppier the better, actually. Now that I'm done, I have a great representation of the colors I can create with my paints. I'll tidy up the canvas a little bit with some white. Now I'm going to connect the opposite colors with the black paint. These opposite colors are called complementary colors and can be used for contrast in painting with great results. The logo of my channel was created using complementary colors. They were also a tool used extensively by expressionists. So basically, the color that is straight across from the other color on the color wheel. You will notice I am also changing the shades of my black to create a grayscale, to also use as a reference. Now that I am done, I have a useful tool to reference while I paint, customized for my preferred colors that I use. I highly suggest making one for yourself, as it gives you mixing practice and to keep in your studio space for easy reference and color ideas.